If you are a cryptocurrency owner in India, well, the budget becomes extremely crucial for you. Well, remember, the crypto industry is waiting for a hint of regulation from the finance minister when she presents the budget on the 1st of February. Well, there is no particular framework as to how to regulate the cryptocurrency industry in the country as of now. And in fact, there is no clarity on how these incomes from the purchase and sale of cryptocurrencies will be taxed in the country. In fact, the government was supposed to take up this discussion, the crypto bill, in the budget, in the winter session of the parliament, but that did not happen because the government is keen to have more discussions when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies, because it's a wider decision and it does not want to make a hasty decision, because even in the entire world right now, there are wider discussions as to how this asset class should be regulated. In fact, China has been one nation that has put a complete ban on cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrency trading as well as mining. In fact, Russia is also another one that could look at a complete ban in trading as well as mining of cryptocurrencies. But when it comes to El Salvador, well, that is one country that has gone ahead and accepted Bitcoin as a legal tender. But the chances of that happening is in India is far remote, because the crypto bill rather looks at putting a complete ban on private cryptocurrencies. However, there may be some exceptions because the government is keen to promote the blockchain technology in the country. So I was just reading a report about in the Economic Times that the government in fact may not take up the crypto bill even in the budget session, because it wants to wait for the RBI to come out with its own digital currency, which is in the works and which it may come out with in due course of time. Remember, the RBI is very skeptical when it comes to cryptocurrencies because the central bank believes that it may weigh in on the macroeconomic as well as financial stability of the country, because currently it is not regulated by the central bank. In fact, the government has mandated SEBI to look at the regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. Coming to taxation then, the government has actually taken a lot of inputs and suggestions from tax experts on how to go ahead and tax cryptocurrencies. And I'll just take you through some of the suggestions that the tax experts have given the government when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies. First of all, the industry is awaiting clarity on whether gains from cryptocurrencies should come under capital gains or business income. In fact, currently it is taxed under the umbrella of capital gains in most countries. Secondly, another proposal is to bring both sale and purchase of cryptos under the fold of TCS or TDS, that is tax collected at source or tax deducted at source. Now, this will enable the government to identify the footprint of the investors. In fact, crypto purchase and sale may also be brought under the ambit of reporting under the statement of financial transactions, and this will help the government to gather info on whether or not the taxpayer has indulged in a very high value transactions during the year or not. Income arising from the sale of crypto may attract a higher tax rate of 30%, and this the government may do with a view to bringing it at par with any kind of gains from income from game shows or lottery and the likes. Lastly, tax experts are also of the view that the government should not allow adjustment of loss arising out of a sale of cryptocurrency against any other income. In fact, tax experts are also of the view that crypto losses should not be allowed to be carried forward to the next year to be offset against any future gains from cryptocurrency sale. So these are the kind of few tax suggestions that tax experts have made to the government when it comes to taxing cryptocurrencies. Well, whether or not the government goes ahead and makes an outlines or gives out an outline for the taxation as well as regulation of cryptos is something that crypto investors will be keenly watching out for from the budget.